Hi everyone, my name is Carol, and today I'm going to be showing you how to pause and resume a work order through the Infraspeak Mobile App. So the first step is to head on over to your Infraspeak Mobile App and log into your account. Once you do that, this main menu should be popping up on your screen, and you can head on over to the Work Orders tab and select that one. And that's going to open up our work orders, where we can then head on over to the work order that we want to pause and click on it. So I'm going to go over to the first one, and I'm going to select that first section where it says close or pause your work order. Tap on that, and this little screen is going to pop up. Where it says action, you have the option to close, pause, or cancel. You have these three statuses that you are able to select. So I'm going to choose pause. And I'm going to also move on over to the status. And I'm going to say that the reason for my pausing of this work order is because we are waiting for approval. And I'm going to add an additional description. So let's say we are waiting on the manager approval. And once we've filled those three out, we can then tap on the pause bar. And that's going to have paused our work order. So as you can see, we are back to our work order log, to our main screen. And you can see it says paused. So now if we want to resume our work order and carry on with our job, we're going to tap on that work order again, and we're going to hit the play button where it says resume work order resolution. Just going to tap on that play button, and that's going to reopen your work order, and you're all set and ready to go again. Brilliant. Thank you for watching, and I hope you enjoyed it. Thanks.